Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll see what are the basic terminologies that are used in NLP. So let's start with the introduction. So today we are going to study some basic terminologies that one should know beforehand starting to learn NLP. So if you are a beginner and you have started to learn NLP, these are some basic terminologies that you should know so that it is easier for you to grasp all the concepts. So we'll start with the definition of NLP. What is NLP? So NLP is natural language processing, and it is a part of artificial intelligence that helps computers to understand human language, like the language that we speak or write. The terminologies that we'll study today are vocabulary, corpus, tokens, document, and normalization. So let's start with corpus. So a corpus is a large collection of text that is used for training these NLP models, the language models. So for example, the collection of all the articles on Wikipedia. So suppose we are training a model which will have information from Wikipedia. So the collection of all the articles that we have gathered from Wikipedia will be the corpus. Next is a document. Now the document is a single piece of text from the corpus. So this single piece of text, it can be, for example, it can be a paragraph inside the corpus, or it can be a sentence inside the corpus. Suppose we see this image on the left, the blue color highlighted paragraph, this could also be called as a document. And on the right, you see a yellow colored highlighted sentence. This highlighted sentence inside the corpus could also be called as a document. So corpus is the collection of all the data that we are going to use, and document is a single piece of text from the corpus. Now we'll see what is vocabulary. It is very important topic. So vocabulary is the set of unique words that are there in the corpus. So I'll give you an example. Suppose you have these three following sentences. The sentences are: I love NLP, NLP is fun, and I love machine learning. Now, how will the vocabulary be formed? See, some pre-processing we need to do, like we need to lowercase all the letters and remove the punctuation. So your vocabulary would look something like this. So if you go sentence by sentence, whichever word is not there in the vocabulary, we'll include it, and whichever word is there, we'll exclude it. So like we'll iterate through the first sentence. Over here we have I, so we'll include it into the vocabulary. Love, we'll include it into the vocabulary. NLP, we'll include it into the vocabulary. Now when we go to the second sentence, we see NLP, and now we check that is NLP there in the vocabulary. If it is there, we'll not include it one more time because it is already there. Is not there into the vocabulary, we'll include it is. We'll see fun is not there, we'll include fun. Then we'll again go to the third sentence. We'll see is I there into the vocabulary? We'll see yes, I is there. Love is also there into the vocabulary, so we'll not include these words again. We'll see machine is machine there? No, machine is not there, we have included machine. And then learning. So this is how your final vocabulary will be formed from these three sentences as your corpus. This is vocabulary. Next, we'll look what are tokens. So token is a single unit of text. This can be a word, this can be a part of a word, or it can even be a punctuation, depending on how the text is split, depending on how you do the tokenization. So what is tokenization? So tokenization is the process of breaking text into these tokens. So for example, here we have a sentence like we love NLP and an exclamation mark, and then we do tokenization. So after tokenization, what tokens will we achieve? We'll achieve V, love, NLP, and exclamation mark. This is word level tokenization. We have different types of tokenization also, such as word level, subword level, and all. Now to compare, what is the difference between tokens and vocabulary, because many people get confused between these two terms. So a token is one individual instance in the text. A token is in this text what is one individual instance, whereas vocabulary is the set of all unique tokens that are there into the corpus. So that was tokens. Now we'll look what is text normalization. So normalization is the process of converting text into a standard format. See, models need data to be into a very specific standard format so that it's easier for the model to understand the data. So basically it is a pre-processing step that helps the model to understand the data and generalize better. So why is normalization used? Normalization reduces the variability. Basically it makes the data into unstructured or different format into a standard format that is required. So you'll see with an example. So these are some techniques of normalization that are used. For example, lowercasing, it is very important. We convert all the text into lowercase. Suppose NLP is one, this is the sentence, we convert everything into lowercasing. Stemming and lemmatization, these are ways to reduce the words to their root form or dictionary form. Like words such as running, runner has main core information of run. So these words have been reduced to run. Like better has been reduced to good. Removing punctuations, this is one more normalization in which we remove the punctuation such as exclamation, comma, full stop. So the word hello with exclamation will be normalized to just hello. Removing stop words. So what are stop words? Stop words are these common words which do not add meaning, such as words such as this, is, an, or, like these kind of words which do not add meaning. So if a sentence has this is a pen and we remove the stop words, so this is these are the stop words we'll remove, and just the word pen which has more information will be remaining after normalization. Sometimes there are typos and spelling errors in the sentences, like the is written with wrong spelling, it is also normalized to correct spelling. Sometimes foreign characters are also standardized, like cafe has been corrected to cafe, normal English, and sometimes there are contractions. So there are some words which have contractions such as don't, we normalize them into expand them into normal, like do not. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. So in today's video we have covered what are the basic terminologies that are there in NLP, and if you like this video, please do like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.